What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, we did manage to break the 62% levels to the upside. Now, it is looking extremely bullish. It is the moment of truth for Bitcoin. If we break the $59,500 range to the upside, all the way above $60,000, it is time to turn bullish. Okay, it looks like that we are forming like an ascending channel or ascending wedge. Okay, so we'll be discussing what levels can we expect for this breakout from the channel. We're taking a look at Ethereum looking extremely parabolic. What can we expect now for Ethereum? Litecoin also about to break this major resistance, and Bitcoin Cash and ADA looking to break also this resistance right over here. So we could see some explosive moves for these cryptocurrencies. Remember, if you are interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. Okay, this is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit, guys. You deposit $5,000, you're getting $2,500 on top of your margin to trade with, guys. And if you are interested in swing trading, my favorite platform is Bybit. If you use my link in the description, $1,610 in bonus, guys, depending on what you're going to deposit. And massive thank you for my last video, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's get up to 150 likes and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. Hello there, Andy, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, as you can see, we did break the 62% levels from the Fibonacci retracement here for the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly, as you can see. So now this is looking extremely bullish in my opinion. Usually the price goes to 38%, 50 or 62%, the golden pocket, and then goes back to where the actual impulse is. Okay, in this case it will be all the way down to the $48,000 range. Now this is looking very bullish in my opinion. We might be continuing to the upside. It looks like that we are forming this V formation. Okay, so we are reversing and going back to the upside. Now what can we see here if I zoom in the 1-hourly chart? Okay, we are continuing in this bullish scenario, especially now that we've broken the golden pocket to the upside. Okay, we've got this descending wedge that we mentioned. The target is all the way up here at the $62,000 levels. We've got this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, which is at the $63,000 levels, the target. So guys, we can continue to the upside to our targets from this short-term bullish patterns. So now we are creating this channel over here, as you can see. Okay, it is, you could discuss it's an ascending wedge or a channel, but we are getting supported here from this trend line. Okay, and also major resistance from this line over here. So if we break these $59,500 range, $60,000, remember guys, there's a major psychological level to break, so it's going to be very, very hard. We might get some type of rejection here. But most importantly, I think if we break these levels, we'll be coming to retest the $61,200 range. It is the top here from this trend line, the resistance, major resistance here. It is also major resistance by looking at the charts over here. Okay, as you can see, it's been support and resistance, and it is also the last target here from the Fibonacci retracement. It is the 78% levels. If we break these levels to the upside, we are going to get major resistance. Okay, I do believe if we break $60,000, next stop is $61,200, and we'll be getting major rejection here at the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement. If we break these levels, guys, then it is time to retest all-time highs, in my opinion, and potentially breaking the all-time highs. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. If we break this, the $61,200 range, we'll be coming to meet all-time highs, in my opinion, for sure. We'll be checking this out in the next coming days. Okay, the bearish scenario would be breaking this the support level from this channel. Okay, and I think we'll be coming back down and retesting the $57,000. If we break this, next level of resistance is $55,500. So if we break this channel, very, very likely, because of the width of the channel, depending if it's a, I would say it's a channel. Okay, if we break down, we might be coming back down and retesting this support level from this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern, potentially getting a nice bounce to the upside. So a bearish scenario would be breaking these levels and coming potentially to the 54,000, but I'm going to remain bullish. We are breaking major resistance points, so it is up from here in my opinion. Let's take a look at Ethereum going absolutely ballistic. Okay, I haven't been looking at Ethereum yesterday because no price, I mean, just it is very, we are breaking all-time highs consistently, so you know the price, the sky is the limit. We are in price discovery, so the price is just hovering around this area and just going up and up and up. The thing is that the volume is not too high. It is constant, but it's not too high, so not very much patterns to trade here for Ethereum. But as you can see, this double bottom pattern that we mentioned quite a long time ago, this was all mentioned on the 25th of April, before the actual pattern was finally forming. And strangely enough, we have met the target. Okay, the measured move is from the lower part here, from this double bottom. Okay, as you can see here on the chart, and we've actually met the target already from breaking from the resistance point, as you can see right over here, this resistance over here, and from the breakout, which has been more or less around about this area, we have already met the target from this double bottom scenario. So what can we expect now for Ethereum? Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart, but this is going to be quick, guys. Ethereum does need a pullback because it is going a little bit parabolic at the moment, as you can see here on the chart. So I am expecting maybe a pullback. We are going, look how we've just been going to the upside, consolidating, breaking up, consolidating, breaking up, creating bull pennants or bull flags, as you can see. Now, what can we see for the price of Ethereum? There's a major resistance point right over here. A lot of consolidation for Ethereum right over here on the 5-minute chart, and we've got supported nicely here. So if we come back down, guys, we might be coming all the way down to meet the next resistance point, support level, sorry, which would be at this consolidation phase here. As you can see, potentially a little bit higher around about the top here from the pennant. The bullish scenario would be getting a nice bounce from here. Okay, and potentially creating a double bottom instead of a double top. Okay, as you can see, we have a bottom right over here. We might come back down and create a double bottom and continue to the upside. Guys, Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. Not much to add here for Ethereum, guys. It is going too parabolic. I don't like going long when it's just going so parabolic. We could see a huge retracement, and then we can see some opportunities for Ethereum. Taking a look at Litecoin, guys. Litecoin here maybe is not going to form the pattern that I was expecting. Okay, getting a huge rejection here and maybe potentially doing a double bottom. If we break this resistance, guys, if we get rejected, I'm expecting coming all the way down to $241, which is this major support. And if we break the resistance, guys, I am sure that we are going to meet the $330 range, this high over here. Okay, because we got this major resistance point. Okay, and once we break it, we have retested it here again also, and it looks like we're just testing it and testing it eventually until it breaks. And if it breaks, guys, it is time to meet this high. If we get rejected, we'll be coming back down over here, and then, you know, this is going to be very nice to maybe place some swing longs, okay, because I do think that this structure is going to hold nicely for Litecoin. Everything is just looking very bullish. This is what I've got for Litecoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, okay, also almost doing the same scenario as Litecoin, retesting this major resistance point. Let me zoom in here for the 1 hourly chart, and we are just retesting this resistance, which is at the $1,030, $1,035 range. Okay, major resistance point. We were talking of a potential pullback also yesterday. We just had this small pullback. If we continue to have these pullbacks, okay, we can go as low as $840, and we may be forming like an inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern, which is extremely bullish if we break this resistance after, even now or after forming the inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern. Well, first resistance point is this high over here at $1,200, guys. Look at this resistance, okay? Pay attention on the $1,035 range. If we start breaking out with volume, guys, My first target is the $1,200. Great to place a trade. Bitcoin Cash can be traded on Bybit, guys. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus. Litecoin can be traded on PrimeXbt. Great day trading platform. If you use my link and Bitcoinsensus 50, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit, and you'll be helping out the channel out, guys, because I get a small commission. Now let's take a look at ADA. ADA also looking very nice here to break out this support level, this resistance, sorry. If we break this, guys, this is going to be crazy for ADA. I think that ADA can go as high as $170 or even $2 in this week, before the end of this week, guys, if we manage to break this support level. Okay, this is not looking bearish for ADA, because we are retesting quite for a long time now this resistance. The more time we test it, the more time we are here, the most likely that we're going to break. Okay, we should have had a bounce to the downside already if there was a lot of bears, but there's a lot of bulls fighting. Finally, we will be breaking eventually, in my opinion. This could bounce and come to the downside, but I am looking at this bullish scenario. If we start breaking with some volume, guys, it is time to start placing some longs, because we'll be going as high as $170, as $2. Okay, ADA starting price discovery. And what happens when you enter price discovery? Well, look at Ethereum. You can just go creating 1 to 5% every single day to the upside. So make sure to check out ADA. This can also be traded on Bybit, guys. Link in the description. You'll be getting amazing bonus. You'll be helping out the channel. And this is going to be it for today's episode, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Totally free. We've got great information here. Articles. We've got price predictions. We've got the latest technical analysis and news. We've got reviews and tutorials on Bybit, Femix, PrimeXbt, FTX review. Make sure to check it out. I'll be leaving a link in the description of the website. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or Bybit tutorial, there's a video popping up on the screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.